it is prom season. Hello everybody. Hi guys, so right now I'm going to be doing a video which I'm so excited about. I love watching these videos. I'm trying on $20 prom dresses from Amazon. Yeah, $20. I think in total I spent like $120 on all 5 prom dresses, which is equivalent to a prom dress, which is crazy. Some of them were not cute. You'll see. I love this video because it showed me that you don't need to spend so much money on a prom dress for it to be like cute or whatever. I think one of the dresses in this video, it was like $6 and I actually loved it, so stay tuned. Also, if you're interested in any of these dresses, I will link them all down below, so got you. I never went to prom, so buying these prom dresses made me so excited, and I was like, wow, like, I'm kind of going to prom, not really, it's okay, I'm fine, everything's fine. Also, don't forget to subscribe, link will be right here and down below, and don't forget to turn on my post notifications. It's just that little bell thing. Definitely click it so you're notified when I upload. Also, check out my vlog channel, Hey It's Sarai, like behind the scenes of my life. If you're into vlogs, check that out. Without further ado, let's get started on trying these prom dresses out. So this is the first dress. It's very sequiny right here. It kind of itches my arms, but that's with any sequin dress. I feel like for my style, it's kind of like a younger dress, like for homecoming or something. The only thing that I don't like about this is that it pops out right here. I don't know if it's just because I have bigger boobs, but I saw in one of the reviews that this happened to another girl. That's the only thing that kind of bothers me. It kind of makes you look wide right here, and it like pokes out. So other than that, for $17, I feel like it's not that bad. I do love the color, I must say, so yeah. For how much this dress is, I rate it 6.5 out of 10. I don't know. So this is the next dress. I have to say I love this color because it makes me so tan. I expected it to be a little longer right here. I have shorts on under it. I love the fabric though. I love the feeling of it. I'm not really sure what fabric it is, but also I'm not wearing the right type of bra, so ignore that. But I would rate this like a 5 out of 10 just because I feel like it's kind of short right here. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. Yeah, it just seems like very short right here. I do like how this fabric like hugs my body. I love this feeling of this fabric, so yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna be honest, I can barely breathe in this dress. Like, my boobs are so, like, I don't know if you can tell, but they're so pushed up and like can barely breathe. This dress was $13.59. I got this in a medium, so maybe I would go a size up just because my boobs, it fits everywhere else except my boobs. What is this? Like, hi. Honestly, I would rate this dress like a 8.5 out of 10. It kind of keeps everything in, so maybe I would keep the medium, but I would actually wear this. This one was $20 and I got it in a size medium. I love the off the shoulder and I love the color. Definitely gonna have to wear pasties with this. I feel like this kind of makes me look a little wide, but there's nothing really wrong with it. I like the fabric. I don't think I would wear this to prom. It feels too casual to me, but maybe I'm just too extra. I love how it cinches right here. It gives it a nice shape, but I feel like it just looks, maybe it's just because I have big boobs. That is the moral of this video. I would honestly rate this 9 out of 10, but I wouldn't wear this to prom. This is the last dress. Sorry if it's blending in with my wall. Right off the bat, it's definitely too big for me. If you're a size medium, order a size small, I promise you. This top part, it like just came off, so the fabric right here is not that great. This one was $9.99. I love the bottom part. I feel like I'm a bridesmaid, to be honest. Like, who wants me to be their bridesmaid? If this was in a smaller size, I would definitely rate this like a 8 out of 10 just because the fabric is like coming off right here. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Definitely give it a thumbs up and comment below letting me know which prom dress you guys like the most and what your ratings are for each dress. Also, if you're going to prom, definitely tag me in any of your pictures from prom because I would love to see. Again, I will link all the dresses down below if you want to check them out. Of course, don't forget to subscribe, link will be right here and down below, and don't forget to turn on my post notifications to be notified when I upload. It's just that little bell thing. Definitely click it so you know when I upload. I love you guys so much. Have a wonderful day and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!